Over 70% of low-income Californians can't afford an attorney when they need one. And so it's our mission to work with those folks and connect them with attorneys who are generous and willing to volunteer their time so that they can go into court knowing that they have someone there to represent them.
You're able to use all that you've learned and trained to do as a lawyer in a really good cause, and seeing direct results of that effort. And that's often, denied many lawyers in big firms. They work on parts of a case or in a transaction or something like that. But here you get the whole case, and you're representing a human being who really needs your help. And that's what's so satisfying about it.
I had a small gift and floral shop, and it was shortly after my father had died of cancer that the landlord chose that time to lock me out of my business. At that point, that was the only source of income that I had, so naturally I was very stressed out. I was still grieving my father's death, and I knew I couldn't handle this legal situation by myself.
I was in a rehab, and the rehab was really not the place for me. And actually, it was compounding my mental health problems. And I had nowhere else to go. I had no friends, no family. The last place to go to is rehab. The last place you go when you're addicted to drugs is to a rehab, and the rehab I went to had nothing for me, and it started making me, it's hard. It's hard to explain hopelessness. It really is hard to explain hopelessness, because you start giving up.
I never in a million years would have thought that they would have taken my case, a small person like me. And the lawyers there, they were absolutely wonderful. They were on the phone with me, explaining things to me, sending me emails. They even spoke with my mother to, calm her down because she was feeling stressed about it too. I learned a lot from them legally.
VLSP really changed my life. To have a therapist and a psychiatrist to actually help me, and then to get SSI so I could actually live and survive doing this, it changed my life. Literally from a 1,000-degree change. Now I'm going to be able to go to school for 3 years and get teacher's credit in massage therapy, which is something I've done before I self-medicated, and I have a natural affinity to. But it literally will give me a real career. And so when I start getting healthy enough, I'm going to be able to go to school and literally have a real life. And to me, it was an absolute miracle.
This is, to me, the essence of volunteer work is represented by VLSP. It's the people who work there are largely doing this not for glory or money, but because they care about the services that VLSP provides. They care about the clients that are served by VLSP. That's what makes it a great organization.
Words cannot express how thankful I am. They just made life less stressful and gave me some hope for the future, which was what I was really looking for.
I used to always be called like a very lucky person, and then I lost hope, and then now it's like I feel like I'm not the lucky person again. The luck now is a luck that's saving my life, and I have all the things I need. It's all the things I need to heal.
As lawyers, I think we have a particular responsibility to reach out into our community and use our skills and our bar license to help those who aren't able to afford that help themselves. And through VLSP, we are really able to make a huge difference in the community every day.